what's up guys? This is a very exciting video for me. This is a special moment, kind of like graduating high school, graduating college, one of these moments that are very significant. And to some people, they never get to experience it. I'm very fortunate for what I have, because behind that garage door is my dream car. This car means a lot to me because ever since I was a child, I've always loved looking at these cars. I've always thought they were awesome, and I had to snag one up before they become too expensive. At the time of the purchase, this was the only legal one in Kansas, and unfortunately, I'm taking it out of Kansas, bringing it back to Texas to fix it up. All right, so let's get into it and let's open this garage door. Unfortunately, it is kind of a bucket. And honestly, this is probably the ugliest R34 I've ever seen. But as soon as I laid my eyes on this thing, I knew exactly the potential it had. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I customize cars. I've been fixing cars for over 11 years now. I love finding something ugly, broken, and making it look beautiful. Everything I've ever bought didn't run. They've always had problems. So this isn't gonna be new, but this is gonna be the biggest challenge. All right, I'm gonna push it outside so we can check it out in the sunlight. I really try to push it out with the tires being flat, so we're gonna air it up. Attempt 2 on pushing the Skyline out. There we go. There she is. Look at her. Now, some of you might be looking at this and saying, wow, that's so ugly. Look at all those mix match panels. But to me, I can envision the future. And it's very good. Let's do a little walk around on the Skyline. This is a GTT that's being converted to a GTR. The GTT is a model underneath the GTR, but they share a lot of similarities and they look almost identical when you replace the rear quarters, which has been done on this car, change the front end, which I might do it again. The engine's different and the drivetrain's different. Oh, and the wing is different, which we also need to get. Supposedly, I got all the parts for this car, but they're in a bunch of boxes. So hopefully they're all there. But it has some bright seats. It's right-hand drive, which I think it's so sick. Look at this. Everything's in Japanese, which is so cool. That's the radio, it looks like. This is broken. That's gonna be expensive to buy. Obviously, by pushing it out, you would know that I bought this thing not running. I have messed with this a little bit. I wasn't able to get it running. So today's a new day. It's fresh, so let's try to get it running. See what happens. So I did bring a jump pack. Hopefully that's able to turn it on, but let's find out. Ooh, battery looks low. Let's see what happens. All right, the original battery's dead, but I just hooked it up, put the jump start on, and now we're gonna try to turn it on. All right, check out the setup. We have the jump pack and the jumper cables to the truck, and now it's saying it has enough battery. So let's try to start it again. While we're waiting for this to jumpstart, I'm gonna tell you everything that's wrong with my dream car. Starting off with number one, the most obvious thing is it does not run. That sucks. I don't know why. We need to figure it out. The body right here, it looks like we need some fender risers or something something funky is going on the side. For the engine itself, we have missing bolts on the valve covers, which I think is weird. Stuff missing on the intake. We have the throttle body bolt missing. We have no exhaust. The AC works, which is good. The wire harness is all messed up. Got some wood holding this this right here. We definitely have a boost leak on the front mount intercooler. It's missing glass. We do have these in boxes though. The alignment of these tail lights, oh, they're not even on. That's why. Okay, because I thought the alignment was a little funky. We're missing a spoiler, obviously mismatched, unpainted. Let's go to the interior. Missing parts everywhere. Missing part right here. Steering wheel's messed up. Bright seats are cool, but I would have loved the stock seats because, you know, I want to drive this thing and be comfortable. No back seats. Oh, let's go to the trunk. Thank God this works. Nope. Well, we gotta have someone else holding it. But it looks like we're missing a rear wiper.
I think it's been charging for a while. Let's try it out. Nope, let's try to tap the starter. It's not turning on.
I'm gonna go to the store and replace this cable because it looks pretty bad anyways. I did find a cable by the starter that looks like it was unplugged. That might be the culprit, and I'm gonna get a new battery because this one's trash. All the problems, I did find a little bit more. There is no front wipers either. There is a crack in the front windshield. This thing is a total piece of, yeah, this thing sucks. It's kind of a bucket, but it's gonna be a fun adventure. We're gonna get it running and it's gonna be such a great time.